Good afternoon, everyone. Would like to start by thanking Polymer Update for allowing us to be part of this August forum. I'll be talking on the engineering thermoplastics in transportation and electrical industry, and the stage has already been set by the previous speakers on the benefits of plastics, primarily to do with the weight out leading to lower fuel consumption, and a couple of additional points I'll be touching upon in my pitch. The agenda for the next 45 minutes is going to be, I'll be touching upon the material portfolio, solutions from SABIC IP in exterior body panels, structures, lighting, and then electrical applications, materials, and the key CTQs. Material platforms, Lexan, which is polycarbonate, it's our bread and butter. 70% of our sales worldwide are coming out of polycarbonate and its blends. We have done whole lot of innovations on polycarbonate, trying to address its limitations with the new products which we have launched over the last few years. Basically copolymers of polycarbonate. So polycarbonates, as you would know, the key CTQs of polycarbonate are its transparency, 88% light transmission, good impact, good heat, and basically it can be alloyed with materials such as ABS and PBT. Lexan SLX is a product which came out of the limitation in polycarbonate of limited weathering, poor weathering performance. So SLX is a copolymer which has much superior weathering, in fact close to acrylics, and a class A finish if used in MIC, molded in color form. Lexan has a limitation in terms of its low temperature performance. So came Lexan EXL, which is again a copolymer with the polysiloxane, which has excellent sub-zero performance. Specifically, it retains its ductility at -40. Lexan has poor scratch, so we came out with Lexan DMX, which is a series of products with high scratch performance. Polycarbonate typically has a pencil hardness of 2B, and this product has a performance of H, which is about 4 levels superior to polycarbonate. Used a lot for replacing glass, and also in certain applications removes the need for silicon hard coat or any other forms of hard coat on polycarbonate. There are Lexan, again, polycarbonate is amorphous, and amorphous materials are typically viscous. So we have launched a new series of products called Lexan HFD, high flow polycarbonate. These products typically have a flow of about 35 to 40, which is about 30 to 40% better than traditional polycarbonate grades. Polycarbonate has not very good chemical resistance, so we have a range of again a new range of products which is called Xilex, which is a PC PET resin, PC polyester alloy, and it's having good chemical resistance. It's clear, can be used in contact with the petrol and diesel as well in certain areas. PC ABS, it's a cycloalloy, a range of products which is used where you need thin wall sections. You need the product to have a good combination of heat and impact, and places where polycarbonate can't fill because of the flow lengths. PC ABS does the job. Has benefits of combines benefits of ABS, the processability of ABS, and the impact and heat performance of polycarbonate. Xenoy is a range of products with PC, it's an alloy of PC with PBT, and SABIC specializes in blends of amorphous with crystalline, and so these are a range of products which are excellent for outdoor usage. They have a good combination. Basically, they combine the good chemical resistance of PBT, and the flow of PBT, which is a crystalline material, with polycarbonate, and excellent for outdoor usage, for exterior panels, for places where you need good fatigue properties and good weathering performance. Noril is a range of again a blend of PPO with the polystyrene. It has the least moisture absorption of any engineering thermoplastic, and works well in an environment where you have water. Has been used for last over 20 years, replacing brass for submersible pump impellers. Has been used a lot in automotive industry over the last so many years for applications such as wheel covers and on dashboards, IP parts where you need a low gloss. Noril inherently has low gloss. Noril inherently, again, whatever FR systems go into Noril, they are halogen free. So basically, wherever people have been talking of environmental impact, and halogen-free FR systems go a long way in addressing those. So Noril helps you address those. It is a product which has amongst the best dielectric performance within our product range. So used a lot in electrical applications as well, and I'll cover a few of those as I move ahead. Noril GTX is a range of alloys, again PPO with the polyamide 6 and 6,6. Has the benefits of flow and chemical resistance offered by polyamide, and then the dimensional stability and low shrinkage and high heat performance from PPO. It's used a lot for online painted body panel applications in the automotive industry, and used also for a lot in connectors and power distribution boxes where there is limitation of nylons in terms of their dimensional stability and the inherent characteristic of nylons to absorb moisture. We have Cycolac, which is our ABS. We have Geloy, which is a blend of ASA with PC, and also standard ASA resins, which is Geloy XTW. These are products which are having excellent weathering performance and can be used outdoors with or without paint. Geloy XTW, in fact, we have a special rubber system which helps us kind of multiply the colors which can be used in traditional Geloy grades. So we can use the colors other than blacks and grays which are possible with the PC ASA range. Here we can use, we can have high chroma colors as well being used. And then we come to Altem, which is polyethylene. It's a material which is inherently FR, has excellent chemical performance, has a glass transition temperature of 217 degree in unfilled form, and can be used for applications such as reflectors in automotive and throttle bodies, or applications in healthcare industry where you need good chemical resistance. Beyond this, a product which I have not mentioned is Xtem, which is our new range of polyamide resins with the glass transition temperature ranging from 217 to 280 degrees, again in unfilled form. So we have been trying to raise the bar on the heat front. We also have a range of customized product offerings through LNP, which is a company we acquired 8 years back. We have a range of polymers, in fact more than 30 polymer systems which can be alloyed, which can be filled with more than 16 different filler systems, carbon fibers, aramids, PTFE, MOS2. And these are product offerings where we can actually customize the properties and also customize densities. We have products with densities of up to 11 for lead replacement, and the effects which come out of these product ranges are to do with structural applications where you need high modulus, applications to do with the dimensional control. We have products offering lubricity and wear. We have products which are thermally conductive. We have products which are electrically conductive. and we have products which offer high heat performance. Coming to our technology center, we have our global technology center based out of Bangalore. It is the center of excellence for predictive engineering. It's basically again to support customer activities. We work with customers to replace traditional materials. We provide help in addressing field failures. We help customers in material selection, in design and processing optimizations, and prediction of potential molding issues which they may encounter during the early stage. We also have capability here for life cycle assessment. So if there is a program where you work with us in replacing traditional material and you want to assess the amount of energy reduction which is there in this process, and if taking it further ahead, if you could enjoy taking carbon credits there, we have the capability to assess those working with you. Exterior body panels. Norel GTX for fenders and other exterior applications. Fender is something which we have been working with the GTX for last more than 15 to 20 years. The value prop here is a weight reduction of over 40% compared to steel, and again fuel and emissions reduction potential, which many presenters have been talking of earlier. Dent and collision resistance. This is something which we haven't heard since morning. In fact, this is a big benefit provided by plastics, and for low speed impacts, the kind of congestion we have on our roads here, bumper to bumper traffic, fender is the oft damaged component, and that's in fact the component where you have the maximum cost of repairs coming through by paying off your own or through insurance. And GTX does an excellent job here preventing those. The styling freedom which comes out of using plastics, complex shapes which were not possible in metal, you could use with plastics. A lot of integration possibilities which were not possible with metal can be used here. And of course, solutions for pedestrian safety regulations, which are yet to come to India. I think 2014 is the time frame which is set for introducing these to the Indian markets. But Europe and Japan, which are heavy on such kind of regulations, these solutions work well there. The enabling technology here is the online paintable conductive Norel GTX resin, which we have with us, which provide heat deflection temperatures of up to 200 degrees. They can bear the E-coat temperatures of 160 to 180, which is the typical range, and the baking temperatures, and can use the same paint system as